What's going on, man? I am just chilling. I am poking at Nightbot. There's nothing to go on here. If you want to hang out, I'm over in Discord. Ooh, I should make that as a scrolling text. Where is that? Ooh, text. Gigapart scroll, tank radio scroll. What's the tank radio scroll? Uh, nope, I don't want that one. Yes, I want to remove. Maybe I should put the camera up. I don't know. I was trying to get Nightbot going. I already got that stuff. Screw it. Select all. Nightbot online. Is he there? I don't see him. Let's do a new text. New text box. Live in Discord. And create text. I am live in Discord. And 2.0 voice. Blah, blah. I don't want F. Who does all Fs? And now no one can read that. I'm going to take off studio mode. This is probably a bad idea. There. That works. And I am going to regret putting this camera on this one, but here we go. Video capture. Existing Logitech. Oh, look at that. It's not even right. Transform 180. Configure, because it's configured for me with a, there it is, lights. Someone spam the chat. See if we get Nightbot to poke his head up. Set up Nightbot. I thought I already did this. Do. Spam. Spam. Settings. Permissions. Community mods. Nightbot. He's already there. Go live as Nightbot will only join your active streams on YouTube. Nightbot takes 5 minutes. Blah, 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 blah. Hey! There he is. Cool. Thank you. All right, now let's turn off his moderation. WTF. Thank you. I appreciate that. Block links. Excessive emotes, go away. Excessive singles, go away. Repetitive, go away. Excessive caps, go away. Links are not allowed, sorry. Blacklist phrases, sure, we'll keep that. All right. Now. Oh, I didn't realize YouTube put the logo over my face. Fine. Womp. There. And if you want, I'm in Discord. Hey, someone join me. Where is Jason's Discord? Oh, I was in the wrong one. There we go. All right. Next on the list, how do we do a giveaway? Giveaway. You know. You know. You know, you know. Waiting for entries. 0 entries. Chat unavailable. Chat right now is unavailable for this channel. Why? Settings. Giveaway keyword. Next. All viewers. Regular channel moderators. Oh, you could turn off moderators. Oh, that's evil. What's up, Kirk? You know what? I should pop this out now. Pop the chat out. Let me do the chat overlay. Boom. Hold on, I gotta fix this. We're gonna get the chat overlay working. The URL changes every time. Ha 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 ha! Magic. Who can enter? Key phrase. No anti-spam. Unique winners. Cue the evil laugh. Right? It doesn't happen much, but I do it at work all the time when it starts working. All right. I think I triggered it. Throw me the tank radio emote. See if it works. Evil. Waiting for entries. Is there anyone else premiering right now, I wonder? Who has the premiere list? What's up, boy blue? No, it's not saying there's any entries. Why aren't you there? Alright, let me do a second pop out. This is going to be annoying. Gotta go to my channel. Why do I have to do it this way? YouTube is stupid sometimes. Your channel. Nothing to see here. Alright. Pop out. Participants. Nightbot. Nightbot's there. I still see no participants. Send to enter the chat giveaway. Send a message containing blah 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 to enter the chat giveaway. Alright, let's redo it. No symbols. We're just gonna do tank. Like tank at checkout. Enter tank to win nothing. Thank you. Still no entries. Still waiting for entries. Still waiting for entries. I wonder if this is the wrong Nightbot. Settings. Member since 2025. Connections. Did you grab the wrong channel? Alright, I'm going to sign out, Nightbot. Because my giveaway is still saying no entries. Thank you, Dave. Alright, that's obviously not working. Log out. Log in. YouTube. Do Tank Radio. I think I know what I did. Log into that account. Log into Tank Radio there. Continue. See 4 services that night will offer you. Continue. Okay. Alright, we're going to try this again. Blah, 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 blah. 1 entry. Paula. That was old. But, okay. Wait, that says still Tank. There. They're starting to come. Colin, I see you. Why is it so laggy? I see 2 entries now, and there's a chat. Sign into chat. Well, let's just click the sign in button to chat. No, that's the wrong account, you stupid thing. Whatever. I don't want to sign into chat. I just want Tank to win. All right. So we're going to reset it. It's no longer Tank. It's going to be... Wait. Reset all. Next. New keyword is... Exactly. AAH. New keyword. All right, let's try that. Maybe. Ooh. Hey, there we go. Y'all popped right on in. Beautiful. That is working. All right, let's go also check the moderator. Accepted language, excessive cats, excessive e-notes. All gone. Come back to giveaway. Oh, the giveaway screen resets if I click away from it. Oh, that's evil. That is evil. Also, I'm live in the chat over in Discord. If you want to talk to me, say hello, come on the stream. I'm sitting there. Well, this is all in preparations, and I don't have the
from it.
thing
But I think
oh, I did not mean to do that or that. Oof. Let's go back to the the studio window. What's up, Kevin? Welcome to my Do Nothing stream. If a lot of people join, we might do something. I don't know. It's not the Gigapart sale anymore. Oh, all that's on the other computer, I bet. Because I was doing it off the laptop, which is charging. What does this button do? I don't know, Douglas. What does that button do? Let's do another random thing. All right, so next. We're going to go back to... I want to know if the emote works. So new giveaway phrase, emote. New giveaway. Boom. Program files. Photos. No. Where am I? What am I doing? All right, video. Tank Radio. projects, library, lists, logos, pictures, 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 pictures. Where's my pictures folder? I clicked on it. Merch, promo. Nope, it is on the laptop. There's going to be a gig. We're going to do a giveaway this coming Sunday. And I just wanted to make sure everything is set up for it. Jeff, I don't know what I'm doing. That's why we're here. We're trying to get all the things straightened out. Kurt, what happened? Okay. You got Kurt and Dave. Perfect. Blue Boy, where's your pop-up? Does take a minute, yeah. 3 entries. 3 entries to win nothing. Put my earbuds on so I'd... No! Come back! Call in! Welcome! Plus, unlike Jason's stream, you can spam the emotes and Nightbot does not get mad. I encourage all of it. No, this is kind of sad because a couple of my regular live streams did not have this much viewers. Oh, there's goals. I'm not going to play with that. Prep Pan Paul. Go to Discord. Go to Tankers. Yay! Audio. It's just some music. Oh, did I like really mute the music? There. I want it light. Let's see what it sounds like. Gotta go live. My YouTube window's buffering. I hope it's not buffering for y'all. Are we buffering?
What's going on?
I want it light. There it is. See what it sounds like. Hey, Paul. How are you, man?
I am good. What's going on here?
I am just messing around. I am trying to figure out everything. Trying to get Nightbot set up because the up-and-coming live stream this Sunday is going to be a giveaway.
Nice.
And
I should be home for that.
You are loud in my headphones. I'm turning it down.
Hold on. I'll turn it down.
No, you're fine. I think it's just I had the volume up on my computer.
Okay.
You are nice. Myself is a little not hitting that yellow quite like I like it.
Oh, you're good though. In my ears, anyway.
Loyal, man. How are you doing?
Roll a quarter eventually.
Just FYI, you're live on my stream.
Oh.
Well, I'm just trying to figure out Nightbot and how it works and how to get the giveaways to work. Let me choose a winner out of the 4 people. Paul, congratulations. You won nothing.
I win the opportunity to watch your live stream.
Yes. Actually, I know what you won. You won the opportunity to sell me your Jeep.
All right. How much you want? How much you want to pay?
$2, sir.
$2 is a great amount to put down to start the discussion on the actual price.
That's awesome. And okay, so I can close this window now, and I can reset all entries. And then if we do it again, it should pop up. So is there a FT8 app for the phone? Someone
for Android, yeah.
There is. There's one I saw that was paid. Is there another?
I can't remember if I paid for it or not, but FT8CN is the one I've used.
FT8CN?
Yeah. Let me look here, see if I paid for it.
Run FT8 on Android. GitHub. Yeah, I'm not compiling things.
FT8.
Woo!
It's not going to show me in the store because I already own it, I guess.
Yeah. But you downloaded it from the Play Store?
Yeah, I think so. So I was hoping to look here and see, make sure it's there. I don't know where else I would have gotten it, but
I saw one on the Play Store, FT8, and it was FT8 Radio.
let me look at this. About FT8.
I haven't seen FT8C yet. I found it on GitHub by.
Oh, yeah. I clicked get the latest version and it took me to GitHub.
Oh.
I see a lot of Chinese characters in there.
Yeah, I'm kind of concerned.
Which is weird because, oh no, it has English and then Chinese. So I'm not sure what is up with that.
Yeah, you don't need to compile it. They have releases that you can just sideload.
Oh.
I'm guessing CN stands for China, though. FT8CN.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that could be, yeah. Here is FT8CN 0.93.apk January 6, 18 megs.
Okay.
Source code in a zip, source code in a TAR file.
Yeah, I see. I might try to poke at that.
Yeah, I know on
I mean,
iOS.
I've got. Go ahead.
I know on iOS, both the Flex apps and the Icon apps have it built in.
I've got my Netgear Armor on here that scans everything, so I'm assuming it's fine as far as like malware or viruses or anything.
Yeah, I'm kind of looking into that, see how to do that. I think that would be a fun project. Man, this Texas weather blows chunks right now. I was looking forward to go to the park this coming weekend, and I still don't want to be outside.
I was outside last night putting up an inverted V for a net at 20 degrees.
Ooh, no, sir.
But I would take this over 190% humidity any day.
Well, that's why we don't live in Houston.
That's true. It's not always that humid here, I guess.
There's two differences in the audio. I think that's my fault. Windows Jack. I was going to try to check my audio mic level in Windows, and I forgot.
Yeah, as soon as you said I was live, I'm like, okay, time to turn off the built-in AirPod mic and grab my DJI mics and actually properly go to my setup.
Ooh. All right, input. Yeah, Windows nuked my mic. There we go.
I love it.
Mm-hmm. Did you have a video on tonight's stream? I saw Steve was live or premiered something.
Who, me?
Yeah.
No.
Are you on Tuesday, guys?
No, I just do my own Sunday.
Mm.
I mean, I guess I randomly get invited sometimes to others, but
Okay. I think after this live stream, the next one I might do like a cigar get together with all my friends and kick back after hitting 6,000.
Colin, difference between me and Frank? Am I too loud still?
No. The difference was Windows nerfed my mic level. So
that's what he's
OBS.
talking about. Okay.
Yeah, I fixed it. Cool. Well, I got Nightbot kind of working, and that makes me happy.
Good.
Because I got some things to give away. Let me tell you. You gotta show up Sunday to figure that out.
You got 19 in now. You want to try it again? Fake giveaway.
Yep. Let's see here. Let's. I'm gonna test this thing again. So settings, keyword, next, and we're gonna go back to tank, capital T tank, and it's up. Enter tank to win nothing tonight.
Yeah, I was looking at the
Uh,
cloud bot with Streamlabs, and it keeps track of viewing hours and memberships, and you
Mhm.
can assign points, like for people to get double the chances, like 2 rolls or 3 rolls if they've been a member for so long. So
Um,
they'd get
I think there
on
were
top or
settings
on rolls.
like that too in Nightbot. I kind of like that on one hand. I did a big giveaway like that. Because
Hmm.
initially when I was looking for the giveaway stuff, I wanted to like a reward like my Patreon members.
Yeah.
But then I started reading more and more of the what is considered as a giveaway versus a raffle, and then
Hmm.
you can get yourself in trouble really fast.
Really? How? In what way?
If you have to pay for it. So if you had to giveaway was only for people who, gave you a super chat, or the giveaways for anyone only your Patreon members. Since
Hmm.
that's has to be a paid entry, then
Oh.
it's considered as a raffle. And
Hmm.
yeah.
I
So
thought it was
Interesting.
like an illegal lottery. It all depends on the state.
yeah.
Yeah, this one, if I remember correctly, you
Pota
can do like
power.
1 extra entry if they're a member.
Mm-hmm.
So something like that. I can't remember.
Yeah, so that's what I did. I did the whole spreadsheet, and then in order to enter, you had to sign up on a Google Doc, which then I
Hmm.
just nuked on the emails afterwards, and then I put all my Patreons at 6 entries each,
Oh, okay.
and that's how I got it. Lou and Paula says they activated in 23 degrees. Jeez, no, were you outside? I want to know, are you outside? We got 11 entries. I'm going to choose a winner. And go. Pota Power! You won nothing! Congratulations! I wonder if I keep it open will allow someone else new to enter? Probably. Oh, and it shows me also here who's a member. Colin is entered and he's a channel member. I wonder if you could link this up with Patreon to see the Patreon also.
Yeah, that's something I've been wondering is to maintain memberships and stuff. I don't have. I mean, I've got the Patreon name
Mm-hmm.
and buy me a coffee and all that just to hold it, but I'm not really using it.
Mm-hmm.
But YouTube is enough work to maintain memberships for myself, like between that and Discord and everything else. I don't know if I'd want more on Patreon, more members to try to figure it all out all the time,
Mm-hmm.
unless there's something automated.
Well,
I,
the best thing is to centralize it in one spot. So like, I tell people just centralize in Discord and use a Discord giveaway bot.
mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's true.
Pota Power. They were awesome to hang out with at I almost said Dayton because I'm thinking so much about Dayton right now. Orlando. They were a hoot. We drank a lot. It was fun. It was so much
Mm-hmm.
fun. I wonder. This doesn't tell you who won though. You have to scroll up in the chat to see it.
Oh, also with YouTube giveaways, don't really recommend because it's kind of hard to find the original channel and the original channel reach out to you. So all the
Hmm.
big channels, whenever they do a YouTube giveaway, the second they announce the name, there's like 60 fake accounts that are identical clones.
Wow. Yeah. So here we go. This is what I'm looking at.
Yeah, because there's no good way to message people on YouTube.
There is not. I totally agree, and which is one of my big gripes with YouTube members is the only way I can like reach out to people is posts on the community board, which then you got to go to YouTube to see, and you're lucky if it shows you it. Maybe it's different if you're a channel member, and it will pop up alerting you that there's something there. We're gonna choose a winner again.
But for example, let's say I won right now.
Woo!
How do you reach out to me?
See, that's the problem. So we got Rob Q, man. Congratulations, you won.
And then if I'm sending you an email, how do I prove I'm the real loyal?
Yeah, because usually Jason and I say, hey, my email address is tankhamradio@gmail.com, tankhamradio@gmail.com. Reach out to me and say hey, and hopefully your email from YouTube, so that means your address will be the same as your name on Discord, right? Or your name in YouTube.
But that's still very easy to fake.
Yeah,
Emails are free, new YouTube accounts are free.
true.
If you go to Discord, you right click the tech person and say send message.
That works very good.
Check
Same
check
thing even on
Discord.
Twitch.
Check Discord live stream text or live stream chat.
Well, at the same time, like, if I won something, like, if I post it in the chat, I don't want to be posting my address. That's why the private message works so well if you go through, like, Twitch or Discord.
Mm-hmm. I'm trying to find it, Paul. Where
It's right below your voice when it just arrived a couple of days ago.
Oh, Paul.
Since I didn't go to Hamcation to get one, evidently they didn't sell them all because they said it was back ordered till March, but I got it a couple of days ago. So
nice.
I don't think they
the
sold them
Ham
all.
Radio 2.0 red version. I was trying to talk to him. I was like, hey, man, you need to make a Tank Radio green.
There you go. Oh, well, don't do it now. I already bought the black.
Uh-huh.
I would have rather had the green.
Right?
Can of spray paint.
And the main reason I got this one over the other one isn't so much the red thread. It's because this is a more waterproof one than the other.
The waterproof one's nice. Tank, post your Discord link. It should be in the description. I am in the... This should still be active. Let me make sure.
I can double check.
Nope, that invite is expired. I will regenerate this. I'm in the Ham Radio 2 Discord server. Invite people. Edit link. Unlimited.
Here, I will send you a link that's permanent.
Sweet.
I have one made from a while ago.
I bet since it's in stream mode, it's not going to let me copy it. Yep. This link is hidden. Thank you, Discord.
Yeah, I don't even see where you have an active link right now.
Yeah, it's probably... It's been a while since I upped it.
You actually have a permanent one.
Oh.
I'll send you your permanent one. It's in Tankers.
Thank you. The Discord link is in Discord.
I would send in a YouTube chat, but I can't. I'm not a mod.
I'll happily give you a mod. There we go. Boom. All right, so I'm going to go and then edit the Discord link in the description. Save. And then I'm going to do it in the community tab. Settings. Permissions.
And that link will never
default
expire, by the way.
Oh. How did you do it through the invite, or is there a special way to do it?
Oh, you did it like a year ago.
Hmm.
I just copied your link from a year ago.
See, I was smart a year ago.
But you didn't update it in the right places, apparently.
Apparently. Gigaparts emailed me saying video defaults. There it is. one of my links is old now, and I keep shoving it out there because it's in every place I have all my notes. And I was like, well, I updated it there, but then it ain't so not over there, and now I got to. I need a better way of doing it.
Yes, that's what Discord will Colin. Yeah, you'll probably be better if you get like a domain name and then do custom redirects off of it.
Actually, I do have one.
That's what I just do for all my links, so it knows at this point. And when you're not on stream, I'll tell you what the domain is because it's the best thing ever.
Sweet. I actually have tankradio.net.
That's good.
It's a pretty good webpage. I was really trying to do more with it. There is hints and links about what I want to do more with it, and I just don't like to write.
I was noticing on YouTube's AdSense, you can implement ads on your webpage if you have a webpage.
Yeah.
I don't. I need to log in here and see if there's a lot of people following me on the webpage. There's my video feed. There's about me.
We can have some fun with the site if you want to make it something decent.
And Tank, you've got to get some Tank radio emotes made. I'm telling you, man.
I do need to do some emotes.
Because then that one I sent you is people can do your actual image of you doing the Tank arms up instead of typing it.
Well, I kind of like the old school typing it.
Yeah, there would be a lot of people that don't. Well, only the members can do it. Everyone else has to do the other one. But it encourages people to become members because they see your cool little emotes and they want to use them.
Yeah. Why did Google break the pop-out chat? Like the menus don't pop up anymore. I got to go and reload the live stream video and then go to the channel and then find someone, then say make.
They also broke most of the mod view stuff like a year ago.
Mm-hmm.
So like I have Mod Plus or whatever that is on a bunch of the channels.
Mm-hmm.
And the only way I can modify keywords is on an Android phone. It does not work on my iPhone, does not work on desktop. They even said they're not going to support it on desktop. It was meant to be a mobile-only feature.
Did they take away make this person a mod just from the chat? I don't see that pop-up link anymore. I got to copy it and go into the channel page.
On desktop, yes. On mobile, no.
I'm on the desktop.
No, yes. On desktop, it doesn't exist anymore. On mobile, it still exists.
Oh, they took it away from the desktop. Are you serious? Google.
Why did they make things worse?
It's like how, it's the other night someone was spamming in Josh's chat a word that should probably be banned.
Mm-hmm.
I could not ban it from desktop, and they said, yeah, we're not going to support that for anyone but the content creator and channel delegates on desktop.
Mm-hmm.
Go to mobile. The button doesn't exist on iPhone. I tried iPhone, I tried iPad, button does not exist. I go to my Samsung Fold with the screen closed, button doesn't exist. Unfold, the button appears.
Jesus.
It's like, so I'm modifying keywords. Like that's a normal mod thing. The other thing that drives me nuts is mods can now unmute someone, but only on Android. Well, and you have to go to a message they previously sent before they were muted, click on the profile and say unmute. Mods cannot see a list of everyone that's muted to select and say unmute from.
I'm still trying to add you as a mod, and I'm typing your name out, and it's saying it's not finding it as a. User not found. User not found.
Zulu Alpha Charlie Hotel Victor Alpha November 1-3. That's how you'll find me. You can't find me by name. You have to find me by user ID. You see why I'm hating YouTube more and more right now?
Why they YouTube just used to be so good.
I love the algorithm. I love how those streams work with like YouTube Premium. It's just that sad and the moderation features are terrible.
All right, you're gonna have to DM me that name.
Okay.
And then I'll get it all down. What's up, N8YO? Woo! Oh, the other thing that's making me grumbly lately is I've been trying to step up my short game and actually have nice thumbnail pictures. And the only way to set those is you got to do it on the phone. So I create the short, I go through and then upload it on the computer and do all the description things. And then I got to go to the phone after I post it and then edit it on the phone to set the thumbnail, which is a previous picture. Like, this is garbage.
What are you doing it at 5 Sunday?
6 p.m. Central Time.
Oh, it's 6. That's right. All right.
Yeah, so if you're doing YouTube shorts, are you also posting them to Instagram and TikTok?
TikTok, yes. Instagram, I forgot my password. So I need to go through and try to reset it. But then again, it's face page, and I was like, I don't want to do anything Facebook.
Do you know your Facebook login?
Yes. I could reset.
You do know that. You can reset. Hey, I'm now a moderator.
Yes, it took me that long.
Hey, you're a standard moderator. You can do the following: delete messages, put someone in timeout, and mute them. You cannot unmute. Thank you. Close.
Why? So how do you get unmutes?
That's Mod Plus, I think it's called. They just renamed it. Let me figure out what it's called.
There's approved users. There's just moderators. Standard moderators.
Is that for Discord or for Nightbot?
These are just standard YouTube. Specific channel who could redirect to you. And blocked words.
Oh, managing moderator has more permissions than a standard moderator. What does managing moderator do?
And how do you even promote someone to a managing?
You can by clicking on channel activity from the menu in YouTube Studio. Managing moderator can turn chat on and off, set participation mode to subscribe only, member only, live commentary, or people that have been subscribed for X period of time, can add or remove block words, can add or remove other moderators, can unmute participants. No, managing moderators do not have access to live chat control room or YouTube Studio.
We're just having standards. Even though I want to give you all the permissions, I am not going to be digging into that. This is about trying to get Nightbot to work and trying to figure out how to do giveaways so I can do giveaways. Reset all.
Well, it looks like you got it figured out.
Let's do it again.
Yeah.
All right. I'm going to win again, I think.
All right. Let me set up a new keyword. The new keyword is 5%. Bam. Zach, you're in there. Got Paul. Sweet.
So did you already start making your plans for Dayton?
Yes. So I think I'm gonna fly in on this one. I'm gonna try to call Robert and see if we can get that ironed out this weekend. The major question is, do I want to stay at the frat house or at the, what do we call the campsite?
Is it The one just outside of I forgot the little town name.
Beaver Creek.
No, isn't it that state park or national park right next to it? I can't remember now.
Oh, I was just going with the RV sites
Oh yeah.
on the lot. Are we going to call that the shack? The
Well, I was looking at
smoking
hotels,
circle?
and I was thinking of going up with my wife and spending those 4 days there since it's our anniversary. But looking at the hotels, when you go through, basically, I'd be staying 4 nights. It's almost $1,000, so I won't be
Ooh.
going.
Ooh.
If I go, it'd be by myself. I would have to drive, and then I'd just sleep in my truck bed.
I booked my hotel today, and like cash price is ridiculous. But if you use points, they're decent value.
Oh, that's good.
So like my hotel was like $280 a night after taxes and fees. Oh, I turned around and used. It was like 60,000 points.
Lou says Cedar Creek State Park.
But it's that weekend because of the Hamvention, because other dates are like a third the price or half the price.
Oh, they know people are coming in.
Yeah.
Solely.
Oh, yeah.
I hit up that Air Force Museum, and it's its own video on my channel, like
Nice.
separate from the Hamfest. It was so much fun. So much fun.
But I have my flights booked. I have my hotel booked.
Yeah, so I'll probably just be doing Huntsville and then Tokyo.
I need to go do Tokyo.
I want to go to Tokyo. I have a friend over there, which I'm going to see if I can parlay that into something.
There you go.
I'm gonna try to get Josh, but
I just wish it wasn't in summer. It's just like Texas. It's so hot and humid.
It's not that bad. I typed all that out and I didn't drop the link. There it is. All right, let's see who is going to win the fictitious nothing this time. And it is Colin.
Colin, you win.
You know,
only $125 shipping.
Oh, you only won twice.
I did wish this has the rolling, giveaway that StreamYard does. Boom.
Oh yeah.
Yay.
There is one. Well, no, actually, it's Streamlabs' Cloudbot, and it does like a spin the wheel thing. But I don't know how to. I haven't played with it. Like, how do you incorporate the names? Is it automatic? I'm not going to type all the stuff in, so I haven't used it.
Woo! Oh, I'm clicking on the wrong chat. So many chats I have right now. Yay! I just got a QSL card from Canada.
Nice.
I need to get back to answering those. I used to really enjoy doing that once a month, gathering questions and answering questions as I'm filling out the QSO card. But I just ran out of questions. No one was commenting or questioning on the videos anymore, so kind of gave that up. Plus, I can't really hold a stick to, Mike's question and answer. I don't have that mean bone in me.
Yeah, just give it a few, wait till you get 3 or 4, then make a video, even if it's only once a month.
Yeah. Well, it was once a month. It was once a month.
Oh, that was it?
Yeah, I was doing it once a month. And it was one of my Monday drops. Or it was that was when I was doing a TikTok clock video cycle. I had a major release on the weeks I did not live stream, and the weeks I did live stream, I had a smaller video. It was mostly me sitting here and talking to the camera or doing something easy that I can shoot and edit in one night. However, like I was getting great subscription numbers from them, but the number of viewers, it's when it started out was like 800, and it was great, and then month after month it was like 500, 300, 200, 1, and I was like, what's the point? It's hurting my quality versus helping it.
Yeah,
So I stopped.
Sometimes it's weird. Sometimes how the analytics are on some videos that you think would do good and they don't, and then others do better that you don't think they do as good.
Mm-hmm. Also, it's part of that cycle. The other video is doing the let's dive into Amazon, and I go into Amazon to see what people have been buying with my affiliate links, and
Mm-hmm.
those got pretty special sometimes, where I filter some out.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm like, I'm not showing special
Whoops.
adult toys here.
Oh,
Um,
geez.
It's always
mm-hmm.
it's always a fun time in the when it's at the Hamfest, all the YouTubers around, and it's everyone's looking at their favorite to see who sold more of what
Yeah,
in that category.
yeah, and who has the most exotic item? Um,
I think one person has won it for both lately,
wow, but
and
it's fun.
Oh,
But
I got to
again,
get up early for a flight tomorrow, so I'll probably head out here pretty soon.
all right. Um, do you, do you have space for a bottle for me? Because I was,
Yeah,
or do you
I
already have
wasn't.
that slot taken?
No, I've got to figure out which one everyone wants.
Mm-hmm.
And I needed to upload this picture of just the standard kind of. There's a Suntory and a Suntory Old that are
Mm-hmm.
only like 15 or $20. Let
Mm.
me. So I didn't know which. I got to figure out like exactly which one each of you guys want first, and then I'll focus on that. The guy told me I could bring in one,
Mm-hmm.
and he says, but even if I brought in more, the tax is like minimal if I had to pay on more. So
That's. I'll wait my turn. Um, I was just letting Robert and the other guys figure out which bottle is the nicest one. And to be honest, I'm going to defer for Robert. He really knows the Japanese whiskey game. So
yeah.
whatever he buys, I want that one.
All right. Here is. Let me send this one. Oh, it already sent.
Oh, final question before you go. Are you going to Mower?
Yes, I'll be driving to Moore.
Yes. Awesome.
I think driving. Wait a minute. Is Moore only like 6 or 7 hours, or am I thinking Huntsville?
Moore is
Yeah, Moore's
Springfield.
closer.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm driving to Moore.
Yes. Cool.
Hoping to test out my truck bed tent. I still haven't tested with the fitted pad and all that kind of stuff.
So is Jason. Me and Jason, a Saturday, spent a good couple of hours trying to put this thing on top of his truck. And then when he drove to Florida, he said he did not use it. Did not use it.
Oh, that's too bad.
Here, that's going to
I've had truck tents before. It's just this is a tent. This is just a different truck, so I got to make sure it all fits and different mattress.
New keyword, bad Jason. Because we spent a lot of time putting that together.
one word or two.
One word. I forgot camel case. I think that's camel case. Bad Jason.
I don't know. It's not like I'm a program or something and should know that.
Right? I keep forgetting the differences. I know there's a difference between camel and Pascal casing. I keep forgetting which one's which.
I think camera's first letter is lowercase, then each word's one upper after. Because it's like a
It's like a camel. Okay, I can see that. For
but
all,
then that would be the first one to be upper than if you're following that pattern.
mm-hmm. So for all
ChatGPT, here I come.
For my programming, all my public functions had the first letter capitalized, then all the private are lowercase. So I instantly know the scope of things.
So what do you do for protected?
Oh, did I miss this? Oh, shoot.
Protected?
Did I miss the roll already?
No, I didn't roll bad Jason yet. Protected is still private in my eyes because it's still inherited and the thing outside the class or even the family structure can't utilize it.
Interesting. I'm curious. Did it enter like the portable hammer and Blue Boy? Is it that case sensitive?
It took you out. It says wrong user level. Oh, did I remove something? Chat giveaway. Oh, I took out moderators by accident. Oh, now you're back in. Cool. I can edit it on the fly.
Probably a setting in there, yeah.
Yeah.
So that people don't think you're giving away to your moderators.
Mm-hmm. Well, you can also remove multiple entries. Like if you enter multiple times, it'll just take you out.
Oh yeah.
Exclude the
That's
user
good.
who attempt to enter multiple times.
So apparently there's two different versions of camel case. You have the lower camel case, which means the first word is lowercase, and then every denotes the first letter is upper.
Mm-hmm.
And then you have upper camel case, where every first letter is upper. And then normal camel case is up to interpretation.
So it's meaningless.
I've been through 3 different websites at a Stack Overflow thing of people joking, fighting.
I am a stickler. I like my class member variables to be M underscore. I do not like underscore and then the name. Hate that. Don't know why.
Yeah,
It's just
one of my teachers was mad at me because I write these ridiculously long programs that she has to grade.
mm-hmm.
And she's like, why? I'm like, because A, I hate I hate variables being public, even if I'm going to have a straight get and set.
Mm-hmm.
B, because I want to. And C, if you're going to be a stickler on how I'm graded, I'm going to make it worse. So I made it worse with a bunch of pointer logic and arithmetic on a handwritten test the other day.
Nice. I thought you graduated already, man.
Nah, I got my associates, and then it kind of got messed up, so I'm basically starting from scratch again with bachelor's.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yay.
Did they make you take CS1 and 2?
Yep.
Oh, I bet you
I'm
are
in CS2 right now.
the bane of the teacher's existence right now.
Oh, handwritten test the other day, and she said the rule was make a private class that stores a name in a variable, in a string variable, and then write the main function to basically take in user input, store in that, then print it back out. And I'm like, okay, I'm not using namespace std. I'm not doing any of that stuff to make life harder. Let's make a function that calls a function in a function on the class to do the private variable, and I'm going to pass in by pointer arithmetic using this, and I'm going to do some like length checking, all that handwritten out.
Oh my god.
Apparently she copy and pasted everyone's code, and mine was the only one that compiled first time without a missing semicolon or something. And she didn't even go over pointers yet. Today's class was pointers, and I'm like, I did that on the test 2 weeks ago.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. I do this for a living. Let me just be done with this.
Have you worked with Rust yet? I want to play with Rust. I haven't had the opportunity.
Rust scares me, but I gotta have to start touching it with because it's starting to get implemented in some of the ARM Linux kernel stuff.
Well, it's also I hear in talks like everyone's starting to love it in the aviation fields, and I'm like,
yes, because memory safe, and you can run it both as interpreted or compiled, so you don't have to do ridiculous long compiles when you're doing local development.
Oh, that hurts.
And then
that hurts. It's interpreted, and we want to run it on planes. Oh
no, it's both.
I get rid of the interpretation. If it's interpreted, that means it can be changed. What keeps it from being non-manipulated by a person?
No, so the concept is when you're doing local development, it's all interpreted, but they have a compiler that does compile it down to machine code afterwards.
Okay.
So, like for example, some of the Linux kernel stuff, you can run the modules interpreted as you're doing your development.
Mm-hmm.
That way, you don't have to wait for 60-minute compile times. And then once it's working the way you want it to work, you do compile from that point forward on that module.
Okay, I can kind of see that.
So if you're working on a desktop program, you compile everything but the module you're working on, and you run the module you're working on in interpreted mode. Your performance is not going to be there because it's interpreted compared to compiled, but it lets you debug faster. Then once you're done debugging, you say compile on that module, and you have all the performance, which people are apparently getting more performance out of it than C. which is hard to believe.
And is it an iterative of C++? Or
No,
was it built off of?
it's like its completely own thing.
Okay.
Declaring variables and functions and all that confuse me, but it makes sense how they do it. So, for example, like in C++, you'd say like int and just a name.
Mm-hmm.
This you would do int how many spots in memory you want it and what namespace you want it in, then your variable name.
I just did Rust and their online compiler interpreter play function thing, and it's just first line fn main. What? No.
It's like
out.
C met Python meant someone that's extremely memory safe.
Oh, I don't want to learn Rust anymore.
That does not sound fun.
You on doc.westlane.org?
Yes, I think I was. Yes, rust-lane.org. I thought it was more close to C++, but they made it really memory safe. And
so go like functions and methods, and you could really have fun with that.
All right, guys.
All right, be safe, man.
Have a good night. Yep, we'll talk to you soon. It looks like Rob wants. He wants the. Which one was it? The Akashi White Oak Single Malt 8-year with a backup of the Egashima Single Malt Sherry Cask, whatever those are. So, and I think Jason said he wants whatever Rob wants too. So
yeah,
I'll let you know.
We're just going to bow to
defer
Rob's
to the pro.
Knowledge. Yeah, and I know bourbon, but I don't know Japanese bourbon.
Yeah, well, there's quite a few. So these he says these are good ones. So we'll see.
Cool.
All right, Frank.
Adios.
Good talking to you. Take care, guys.
You too. Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, we can go down the C++ road or Rust road, but this is looking garbage.
So if you look at like the methods one, because that's I'm skimming through it now, like it looks complicated and garbage. But once you actually start looking at it, you're like, okay, I can see why you want to use this and stuff like aviation.
I can let must. I don't like these syntax.
But it's like if you see like struct point x, y, you just declare two variables called x and y, and you set them to floats of 64 bits long.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it has a mix of Python. All right, I'm done talking about Rust for now. Because me and you can be here all night, and no one else will be like, why are they talking about that?
What, you're rusty at Rust?
Yeah, rusty at Rust. I want to nuke Rust now. I want to nuke it. I don't want to do it anymore. I was so excited at work. I'm like, can we do that in Rust? And everyone's like, yes. And now I'm going to go back to the office tomorrow and be like, I'm going to reset that. No more Rust.
Google was doing,
What's up, Aaron?
Carbon.
You know where to find us.
Did you ever look into Carbon?
Carbon? No.
It's Google's project to compete with Rust.
It's more of a C. Carbon is a...
It.
Oh, wait. That's actual carbon.
So search Google Carbon language, and it will take you to the GitHub. It's github.com/carbon-language.
Mm-hmm.
And it lets you run C++ code native in it, or the Rust style code back and forth.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
And they made a module, so you can basically take the module file and go to your existing C++ and say import carbon lane, hashtag include carbon lane, and paste your carbon lane straight into C++. It uses that namespace.
Done. Don is here now, and he's like, it should be no more C++.
Yeah, so if you go to GitHub and scroll down, they give an example, and it looks even worse, but at the same time, it makes so much sense.
Why build carbon? The grouch. You know what? I don't know. We're all ADD. That's how we ended up here. I came here because I wanted to figure out how to do giveaways, and we've given away 5. We had 5 different winners that all won nothing.
They
Yay!
all want a waste of time.
Woo! However, this coming Sunday, it's not going to be winning nothing. We're going to have a 6,000. That's right. I had 6,000 subscribers. We're going to do a giveaway. Gigaparts is helping me out, and my guest is going to be hammers. We're going to be talking about hammers, and Rob hit me up in Discord. I won tonight's live stream. Here's my information. You know what? For that, I'm going to actually send you a sticker pack. You're awesome. What I was about to go to? I was going to do something. I forgot. Oh, Jared. I was talking about Jared. Yeah, Jared has a. He's going to chip in on the giveaway too.
Don, a flex 6,600 for 6,000 subscribers. No, that's 6,600 subscribers.
6 million. I will give away a flex. By then, hopefully, I'll be making so much I can just buy a flex and give it away. Sticker packs for everybody. You know what I need to do for the sticker packs? I need to, and I had this idea already, put all my stickers on a piece of paper or a plate so I can hold them up when I talk about sticker packs. Hey, look at my old cool stickers. But I do have behind me, which you can't see, a piece of glass that's been hanging there for about a year now, which I meant to put all my YouTube friends stickers on. I have a whole box of stickers I gathered I want to put on there. I might do that one day. Sean,
So
you're
if you do
right.
your
Sunday. What's up?
if you do your sticker pack, put it on like a piece of cardstock and laminate it.
Ooh. Hank will give away a Flex radio. I'll figure out, Colin, if you win the actual thing, uh, we'll get it to you in Canada. I got to mail something to Canada. I got a QSO card from Canada. I want to return that. Yes, I will hold myself to it. 6 million subscribers. I'll give away a flex. Oh, Colin, VK, you're in. Yeah, that's way wrong direction. We'll figure something out for you, man. I don't know how to get it to Australia. If Hayden comes, I will give him the stickers, and then he'll mail it once he gets home.
Stickers on. Yeah. Don wants a loyal sticker. I don't have stickers. Well, that I can give out. I should.
Stickers are fun. I was worried I didn't have enough stickers at Orlando, and I didn't give them away as readily as I usually do. So I was kind of stingy. But
Ooh,
I need.
yeah, we ran out of HRCC stickers.
Well, Josh was like, "Candy, have a sticker, have a sticker, have a sticker."
Oh, we weren't even that good, and we still ran out.
And
Like,
go ahead.
like normally I say, hey, give me half the stack. That way, if you're live streaming, I can hand them out so you're not keep going in and out.
Mm-hmm.
And he gave me half the stack, and we were only giving out stickers to people that were like asking for them or were like standing for more than like 30 seconds. If someone just walked by and said, hey, like your stuff, it was like, okay. But someone actually came up to like give a handshake or something, it's like, okay, cool, here's a sticker.
Wait,
At 3 p.m., I
there's a
said to
secret
him, I'm
hand
like,
signal. There's a.
if you no, if you just walk up and like say hi, more than that, more than just to walk by.
Mm-hmm.
We should do that though.
Yes, that'd be so cool.
But around 3 p.m., I told him like, I just handed out the last sticker because you've been handing out about half of them, and I've been handing out the other half. That like, there's no way. And he opens his thing, goes, I have 3 left.
Wow. Wayne says, for Australia, from Texas, go to Japan and take a left. I love it. I love it. How many stickers did Josh bring?
I should know that. He told me. I don't know off the top of my head.
I usually bring about 100-ish. Um,
I want to say it was like 200-ish, maybe 300. I don't know.
when we were in Florida, I swear I tried so many times to get away from Josh and live streaming that we always kept converging again. Like I hopped 3 rows over and then kept recording. Then all of a sudden, Josh was beside me again. I was like, "How did this happen?"
Just wait. Dayton's gonna be even worse.
Dayton, man. Like, what was it last year? It took me 3 hours to get through the first building because I was stopped so much. It was awesome. I love it. Um, but it took me
Now you
that
see
long.
why when Josh is streaming, I'm behind him. Either A, holding the camera sometimes, or B, saying, here's a sticker, leave him alone. Now, I'm not saying don't come up and say hi. We love it when you come up and say hi. He just wants to, if you're coming up to say hi, you can walk with us. He just wants to keep moving. He never wants to stand in place, because if he stands in place on a live stream,
We'll
the mob
never,
happens.
yeah, we'll never get anywhere. I've done that several times. I'm like, look, I'm on my way over here. I would love to keep talking to you. Just come with me.
Just walk along with us if you want to keep talking, or if you want to go in a full-blown conversation. 5 minutes after we're done with the live stream, we're normally sitting down somewhere. Come and have as long as a conversation as you want with us.
Mm-hmm.
But the point of us right now is so we can stream the show. We can interact with you after the stream.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't mind talking. Oh, the people that I kind of get annoyed with are the completely oblivious guy. You sitting there and you're doing a recording or an interview with someone, and you're obviously talking to each other, and you got the camera set up like 2 or 3 feet between y'all, and the guy just comes right on in and steps like in front of everyone and picks up the radio and goes,
Or like, hey, you're Josh. Can I get a photo of you? And stands right in between of you and the person you're talking to.
Mm-hmm. Well, if you always
I think
noticed,
it's funny.
sometimes there's weird cuts, and those weird cuts are because someone's done that. Uh, have you seen Giga Jason when that happened when he's doing an interview with you or with Josh? He doesn't have any of it. He goes, "Hey, excuse me, sir. We're in the middle of something. You're in front of the camera. Can you please move so we can finish this?"
That's why I kind of stand behind now and basically like, wait here for a second. But
Yeah.
it's like, I think it's funny. When we spend about, I'm going to say, a third to maybe half the time of the show either filming or
Mm-hmm.
live streaming. Does that sound about right? About a
Yeah.
third? The third of the time we have the camera out, everyone, it just magically wants to be there.
Mm-hmm.
Whether it's filming or live stream. When we don't have the camera, no one's around.
I forgot to do this thing. I could do that tonight. Jeff, man, I saw you snuck in there. How you doing? Where you at these days?
I'm up in Oklahoma now.
I thought you were trying to get away from, the cold.
Yeah, I was hoping to, but I went a little north too soon. There's snow on the ground here, unfortunately.
Ooh. I was going to delete this live stream when I was done, but meh. Are you going to be joining the Tank Commanders
Sorry,
meeting?
Frank, how you doing?
How you doing, man? How you doing?
Yeah, I'm planning on it.
I've had a very interesting week.
Just a heads up, we're live on YouTube, so can we talk about your interesting week? Was it interesting in ham
Oh,
radio?
it's nothing bad.
Okay.
Oh yeah. No, it was sadly so. It wasn't interesting in ham radio, but it was interesting in weather.
Ah.
Like I was going. I'm a professional driver for a living, so just so people that don't know. So I was going down 57, and I got stuck in Missouri for almost 14 hours because of the ice storm.
Mm-hmm.
It was entertaining.
Ouch.
So just wicked behind schedule now.
Mm.
That sounds like a paid ham radio time.
Yes. Everyone here was
yeah,
worried.
it would have been.
Go ahead, man.
It would have been, but I have not finished my setup in the truck yet. Could have been hours of entertainment, but I just didn't finish the setup in the truck yet. It's just been too cold.
Yeah, they were worried here. Texas got last night was 15 degrees. It was Tuesday. I went to go see a movie, a Captain America movie, and it was kind of misting, and everyone's worried about the roads. So we had a couple of friends cancel, but I said, "Screw it, I'm going." I love driving on bad roads because if you don't drive on the bad roads, when you need to drive on the bad roads, you don't know how to drive on a bad road. So it doesn't bother me that much.
Well, dude, like it's still wicked cold. Like I'm over by El Paso right now, and it's 33 degrees.
Yeah, it's what is it now?
For Texas, that's stupid cold.
27. It's ridiculously cold. I got all the faucets they're dripping, and the cabinets open, sprinkler system turned off, blankets pulled out.
Yeah, like when I passed through Dallas earlier, it was mid 30s. But that was daytime, so.
Yeah. Well, gentlemen, I think I got it working. I am confident that I can do this, so I'm probably going to wrap this up. Do y'all have anything else you want to say?
Started a YouTube channel.
You are? What's your channel?
The Portable Ham.
The Portable Ham. Let me dig that up.
Yeah, I did. I got the YouTube channel, and then I started the Instagram as well, which is the Portable Ham 9 because I couldn't get Portable Ham.
I'm not seeing your channel yet. Do you have the name or?
Yeah, the like literally capital THE Portable Ham. Trying to get to that 50 mark. Trying to get to that 50 mark so I can do live streams because that's kind of what I'm more interested in.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trying to find out. Like, I'm trying to figure out the audio chain right now, but like I would like to live stream while I'm out on the road in the passenger seat because I drive teams. So I'm trying to figure the audio chain out so like video like record the road out in front of us and you guys can hear all the contacts and everything like that through the full audio chain.
That sounds awesome.
It seems like it'd be kind of fun. Like, I don't know if guys would be into it or not, but I'm gonna give it a try. See if
Mhm.
it's fun.
Yeah, go for it. And in the beginning, if you're not failing and screwing up and having issues all over the place, you're not doing it right.
You're not
So
doing it right.
don't worry if it's just failing left and right and the audio's not coming through right, because we've restarted so many live streams. It's fine. It's fine. We'll still be here.
Yeah, that's what Grayman was also saying too. He goes, dude, you're gonna screw up. You're gonna goof up.
Just let it happen. Learn from it. Always learn from it, and then next time go around, it will
Yeah.
always be better.
Like my channel, I
So-
never really had. Luckily, I never had any audio issues.
Mhm.
But like that one's just kind of because of what I was dealing with in that specific. It was a pew pew channel, so
Mhm.
YouTube doesn't like that. YouTube doesn't like that stuff. And like what I was doing was disassembly and it's showing people how to properly clean and also repair their own stuff. Because why are you going to go pay $150 an hour to a gunsmith if it's a spring?
I think
You know what I
that's
mean?
amazing.
But YouTube didn't like that. They said that was a modification, and well, pretty much all my videos got strucken or taken down, or I think I only got like 2 or 3 left that they're okay with,
Mhm.
which I don't understand. But hey, whatever. It's YouTube. It's their platform. They can kind of do what they want.
Yeah. And if you want to stream before 50 subs, you can do it using a third-party app. You just can't do it from the official YouTube app, which I would recommend a third party anyways, because the official YouTube app can eat at times.
Hmm.
Pretty bad. So like, I don't know. That's my idea for the channel. That and also like I'm gonna be going to Dayton with you guys. Like, I think me and Gray Man are actually gonna carpool out there.
Ooh, that's gonna be fun.
He said, he says he wants to POTA on the way out and POTA on the way back. So
Loyal.
might as well.
What app is that you're suggesting you could live stream from? Sean's asking.
You can do anything other than the mobile app. So if you want to go live using using YouTube Studio on desktop, you have to have 50 subs.
Mhm.
But you can use, like, if you're on desktop, you can use OBS just fine.
Okay.
And same thing with mobile.
Can
if
you
you go
still
through
set
like
up the keys and everything, or you just go through and just use the single sign-on through OBS?
Yep.
Oh,
YouTube puts restrictions on live streams using their own apps for some reason.
yay!
And then they put other
Yeah,
restrictions on everyone. So you have 2 sets of restrictions for live streams. One, if you're under 50 subs, you can't use the official YouTube app, but you can stream using RTSP, which that's what everyone else uses.
Mm-hmm.
And then you have a second restriction for if you're under 1,000 subs, it limits how many people can watch you at once. It actually gives an error that says
You're
too
allowed.
many people are watching.
What? That's
what-
ridiculous.
What it specifically states is that you are allowed. So if you're under 1,000 subs, you are allowed your subscriber amount plus 25.
Hmm.
So it's like, so if I get 50 subs, I can have 50 people on plus 25. So I'm allowed to have 5 people on my live stream at that time
Yeah.
until I hit
So
1,000. It's BS.
Here's the official restrictions for streaming using the YouTube Android app. Have at least 50 subs, no live stream restrictions in the past 90 days, verify your channel, channel has to be at least 72 hours old, you have to turn on live streaming and wait another 24 hours, have an Android device of 5.0 or above. If frequently asked, what if I have over 50 subs under 1,000? It says to make YouTube a safe community, we may limit at our discretion the number of viewers that can view your live stream.
Interesting.
Also, archive to private by default, and it may take a few weeks of process a few weeks to reflect these changes from changing it from private due to processing. A few weeks.
Mm-hmm. What happened to my window?
Isn't that just so much fun?
Well, all right, gentlemen. Thank you all for hanging out. I'm going to go ahead and end the stream and just hang out on Discord. Let me get that Discord link one more time. And I put it in places and now I can't find it. Here we go. It's here. Got it. 7-3, everyone. Say bye. Woo!
Adios.
Oh,
Have a great time. I had to. I'm sorry.
I love it. All right, I just ended it.